This video is not about politics, but this is showing you the true color of your politicians. So let's understand what is going on. This is just to show you how wicked or how the character of the Nigerian politicians are. Now, the other day, Abia State announced that 2027 presidential election, so the campaign billboard, if you want to put for your candidate or the candidate want to put for himself, the person have to pay 200 million naira. Today, FCT announced their own in Abuja. Wike said you have to bring 750 million. Okay, 750 million. Am I correct? Yeah, that is right. Yeah, I'm correct. That is 750 million. That is close to 1 billion. Then, boom, the information just came into our group right now that the Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo is planning to put it 300 million in Edo State. Sheriff Obolibori, we don't know what will happen in Delta State, but the information coming is that all the whole APC governors, it's like I knew what these people were planning. I made the video that was last 2 weeks saying that what I was even talking about is banning people not to campaign in APC states. Like I was saying that someone like Pitobi, they will not allow him to campaign in APC states. They will cite insecurity on that day he's coming. They will put curfew. That is it. Basta. Now, um, all these things are laughable. The APC governors will never allow any campaign posters in their state. You see, when they were buying governors, trying to recruit governors, they know what they want to use them for. Imagine presidential election where no opposition political party will go to any state to campaign, no people will be in that state. That is the country your people want. And you people are wishing that this same set of politicians are going to make your country to be great. It's laughable, it's laughable indeed. Now, that is apart. You see, the kind of suffering, hardship that is going on in Nigeria, despite Tinubu had said that was day before yesterday that since he was born, that there is always hunger in Nigeria. So he's not going to stop the destiny of Nigerians who are hungry people. So let us put that side apart. But you know what? You see, there was a time the Tinubu's administration, they were so serious about the issue of tax reform or tax law. They actually sign it into law, but they are not serious in enforcing the defaulters. Yeah, they are not serious now. You don't know why? It is because of the 2027 presidential election. See, you see this issue of tax, you will see what is going to happen next year, especially if Tinubu returns to Asura. A lot of things are going to go wrong, but for the sake of the particular video I'm doing, let me just restrict myself to talking about the character of the politicians. Now, the Nigerian politicians, they are best in trying to hide their character before election, and after election they will unleash it to the people. No matter how you feel that Tinubu's administration is doing, they are hiding their character. No matter how you feel that these people are worse, these people are evil, these people are not doing fair, they are not doing fine, they are doing their best. Because this is what all they can, pretend that they are good. This is all they can pretend about. Because after the 2027 election, if destiny happens that they comes back, when I mean destiny, so I'm not talking about your destiny. Okay, even destruction is also a destiny. So if they returns back, you people don't know what is coming. Now, yesterday they announced, I'm talking about the APC administration, that they are still going to remove electricity subsidy. You don't know what that means, right? You have been crying that we are paying too much electricity bill. Whether you're on band A, band B, band C, you own hotel, you are paying 30,000, 30 million every month for electricity, and you are crying it's too much. Tinubu's administration is telling you that no, it's not serious. Wait for us next year. We are going to remove subsidy from electricity, and everybody is going to cry. Anyway, that one as well is apart. Let's reason about this. If Nigeria is not a country that has been mapped out for whatever that is going to happen to her, how would a country that have gold more than South Africa, more than Ghana combined together, they have crude oil, they sell their crude oil everywhere crude. Like, what are they doing with the money? The same money the Saudis, the in Qatar, in United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, the same oil money that these people are using. Is that the kind of money Nigeria is also making? Now, Tinubu removed fuel subsidy. And the purpose of removing fuel subsidy is to making sure that money remains in circulation so that they will not borrow more. But as I speak to you, there is no excess money in Nigeria. The only excess money that is available are borrowed money. The man has borrowed. Sorry, not guy. Okay, he's an old man. I give him respect for being an old man. The man has borrowed up to 150 million, 50 trillion just in his 3 years. 150 trillion. That is this money you are seeing governors are parading. It is a borrowed money. So the money that they use to remove fuel subsidy, the money they are selling oil, the money they are selling gold and other rare earth minerals. Where are the monies? Or where is the money? It's nowhere to be found. They know what they are waiting for. Like Tinubu is just telling you people that you see this position, I'm not going out. We are going to fight to the end. And you think the man is joking? They will buy the everybody that is buyable will be bought. You see, before election, many social media people will be campaigning for APC. All these your influencers, many of them will dive to APC. Can you resist 10 billion? How many billion can you resist? These people have amassed this money to do it with whatever they want to do. You see all these people jumping up in the north. Anyway, unless they kill their imams, unless they kill people that they are going to bribe, you understand? Because this is a matter of, sorry to say this, if you want to challenge these people who came to power by death and destruction, by important terrorists, you should know what to do. Now, in a nutshell, I'm not making these statements. I'm not saying this because whoever that wants election, Nigeria is going to change. It can't change because the person is not coming to become a monarch. The person, even though he's an angel that want to become Nigerian president, the person is not coming to become a monarch. He's not going to rule to eternity. It's just 4 years or 8 years now. Then after that, what happened? We are talking about eternity. We are talking about future generation, next 200, 500 years to come. 50 years, 100 years to come. That is what we talk about. That's what we are planning. So with this situation, with this structure of Nigeria, you can only see doom. You might say, oh, God forbid, try to be positive. No, it is important to be real than to be positive. Later, the positivity will turn to negativity. So if you are not real and you are just positive, it is a lie. That is I don't know the adjective I will use to qualify it. You are just deceiving yourself, trying to be positive on negative things. No, try to be real instead of being positive. Don't be positive, don't be negative, but be real. With this current situation, with what is going on, it is destruction and doom that awaits this nation. A country where the politicians sponsor terrorism, they imported terrorists, they feed terrorists, pay terrorists, negotiate with terrorists in your country. Not because we are talking about Nigeria versus Chad, Nigeria versus Niger, Nigeria versus Burkina Faso. Yeah, you can broker peace, ceasefire, because it is two sovereign nations. But not these useless terrorists, infidels who are in your country. You are begging, you're already on your nails. It's unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate.